self-charging battery with capacitor disconnected. Checking voltage in capacitor. Okay, and it is no voltage in the capacitor. Get this up better. Okay. Now disconnect capacitor media. And connect it to the battery. Connect meter and capacitor and hook it up to the battery. Now we have in the battery 1.65 volts and 1.65 volts. Let's see if I can get this meter in that picture frame better. Okay, there we go. 1.65 volts. Okay. Now we are going to connect the capacitor back to the battery by hooking it to the leads of the, get this camera right here, hook it to the leads of the come on. And let's see. Leads here. Get back on there. And there we go. Okay. The voltage drop. We're going back up, charging up the capacitor. And it is 1.65 in the capacitor now. Okay. Now, actually went up to 1.66. So adding the capacitor is charging up higher. All right, now we're going to bleed the whole system and see how long it takes for it to come back up. It's still charging the capacitor up. Okay, now I'm using a screwdriver to short it out. And there we go, short it out. Now how long does it take for it to come back up? Okay, it is back, and there we go. It's about and it goes higher. So now what would happen if we were to hook up, let's say 24 of these cells, battery cells, together? Would it lose power at all under load? If you short it, it gains power. Okay, so what we're going to do is take a loose the capacitor now. There we go. Take a loose the capacitor. That one is leaning to the side here, out of the way. There we go. And then take this one loose and lean it back out of the way. Get this back out of the way. And we still have 1.66 in the battery itself. Okay, now we're going to just short the battery. And there we go, shorted the battery. How long it take the battery itself to gain its own power? In a matter of less than a minute to gain its own power back. I'm convinced that if these cells, battery cells, was made in abundant and hooked up together in series with supercapacitors, you would have a battery that would not lose energy under load, depending on what you design the battery what kind of load you're going to put on the battery. I think you could build a battery that no matter what size load you have on it, it will still maintain its polarity 100% with this type of battery. I'll be doing further tests on hooking up more of these batteries, making more of these batteries and hooking them up together in parallel to see how much increase in voltage it has. Thanks for watching.